Mike, your take on this data. It's actually okay. It's not bad.
It's fine. Nothing fell off a cliff. That's good. Tells you perhaps the U.S. has been a bit more resilient to trade in the discussions we talked about than people thought. And I still point out that the tweeter in chief is coming up tomorrow at the UN, so you could expect some pretty interesting trade talk around that.
If the resiliency of the data persists, can it unlock some optimism just by being resilient over a longer period of time? Is that what we've seen in the last couple of weeks? Last week, we saw Treasuries come back again, but that 1 week where Treasury yields really broke out by 30 basis points, was that just the economic equivalent of Chinese water torture, just banging people over the head with the same message, it's okay, it's not great, but it's okay?
Probably it was a few things. Number one, you had a massive rally in August, so some of that unwound. You get some of the pension flows people talk about. That's the first thing. And second, to your point, trade didn't really get any worse. The tone probably got a little bit better. Now we're seeing the data are okay. So yes, I think that does unlock confidence if it continues.
Is okay good enough to unlock confidence, Chris?
Well, I don't think it's going to really unlock confidence for a few more months. We have to get through and settle the trade issues to unlock confidence. This data is entirely consistent with what we hear from our customers, and that is that they're not experiencing demand issues. In some cases, trade for them may be a supply issue in their ability to get materials and deliver contracts. But on a demand basis, demand's fine. So I don't think we're going to get that next ratchet until there's a more definitive resolution of trade, one that would allow our customers to make multi-year investments in plant equipment.
And to be clear here, it won't be the tone of the conversation that drives that. It's going to be about the substance, whether tariffs go on or whether they come off. Is that ultimately what this will come down to?
I think so. Our customers are putting their own money at risk, and they're going to wait to see. They need to understand what those tariffs are.